What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share with you how much money I actually make from YouTube ad revenue each and every month. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy, and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said, within this video I am going to be sharing with you my YouTube ad revenue and break it down each and every month to see how much YouTube actually makes me. Now let's go over to my dashboard within YouTube, and now let's just go here to analytics, and then we're going to break down each and every month. So let's just give that a second to load up. There we go. We can see that we've actually got this on British pounds, so let's just change this real quick to dollars. So let's just give that a second. Let's go there, let's change this, and let's go to US dollars if we can find it. So let's just do this real quick. Here we are, US dollars. Click on there, let's click save, and now let's go ahead and take a look. So over the last 28 days, as we can see here right in the corner, I have made $500 over the last 28 days. Now normally each and every month I do anywhere from $250 to £300. So what's that? $350 to $500 each and every month. Now it's not as much as what I'm guessing some of you probably thought that I made. That's another reason why I wanted to create this video. And one real quick note before we actually dive in and start looking at each and every month, and that is your YouTube ad revenue can be completely different to someone else in your niche. There's a lot of factors that come into play, and there's a lot of factors that actually come into play to how much you actually make. So it comes down to the content you create, how long are your videos, what niches you're in, your click-through rate, and all this good stuff. So just remember that if you want to start a channel. Now let's take a look at month by month. So let's go on here, estimated revenue. We're going to click on there. And then if we scroll down, no, that's the wrong one. In fact, where have we got to go? We've got to go here to revenue. So I am going to blur out one thing, and that is my CPM, because if I remember correctly, you're not allowed to show your estimated ad revenue and your CPM at the same time. If I remember correctly, I could be wrong, but let's take a look nonetheless. So over the last 28 days, I've made $500, and this is actually up 26%. Now, if we go to lifetime, before we take a look at each month, let's go to here, we can see how long I've actually had the channel for. So I started this in 2018. So I've had the channel since February 2018, and I've always made either daily content or every other day. It's always been that way. But from here, we can actually see that from the 26th of February all the way to December 22nd, is that in the same year, 2018? Yep. So it took me that long to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. They're the metrics that you need to have before you can actually apply to have ads on your video. I think that's 1,000 hours, no, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. Then when I actually hit that mark, we can see I started monetizing the videos. Not really making much money, that doesn't bother me. I just like creating videos. So it went up a little bit here, then it went down. Then over the last couple of months, or the last month or so, we can see that it's steadily been increasing. Now let's take a look here, and let's take a look at, no, in fact, let's just scroll down. So if we scroll down, we can see each and every month. Let's go to see more, give that a second to load up, and this way you're going to see each and every month. So right here, we can see April. So where are we? Let's scroll down to here. So we can see that my ad revenue is actually pretty consistent. Now it doesn't go up that much, it's just been consistent over the last year or so. So right here, June last year, we can see I made $232, then $219, $210. So from here it took a little dip, and then $262, $240. We can see it's pretty consistent. So right here I did in November $356, December $311, January $346, and then we can see that it's actually slowly been increasing. So in February I did $383, March I did $450, and then in April so far I've done $353. So I'm hoping that we should break at least $400 for the month of April. But I just wanted to show you this anyway, because a lot of people seem to think that I make a hell of a lot of money just from YouTube ad revenue, where in reality I actually don't, as you can see just here. I'm still really pleased with these results. Now I've had the channel, as we saw, a couple of years now. The income's been pretty consistent, no massive jumps in ad revenue, no crazy months, just consistently over $300 over the last, 6 months or so. Now ideally I would love to get this up to over $1,000 per month. That would be great, but I know it's just going to take time. Now again, I've had the channel for 2 years, but everything comes down to consistency. Now even with creating low content books, it comes down to consistency. Same with YouTube, they want you to be consistent. I've been creating videos now for over 2 years, which I can't believe, and I've always either done daily videos or every other day. So I actually really enjoy creating videos. People seem to like watching them as well. So as a byproduct, I actually get paid for creating these videos, which is absolutely awesome. Now over here on the right hand side, for some reason that's not going away. So that's not going, but we can see my best performing videos. $135 for that one, $109, $107, and it's going to be a little bit higher on that one. Now for some reason that's just frozen, that won't go away. Anyway, that's how much I make from YouTube ad revenue, and as you can see, I don't actually make as much money as probably thought. Now over the lifetime we can see that I've made $7,496 in that 2 years. So again, not an amazing amount of money, but I'm still really happy with these results. Now let's just change this to this month. So let's just go to April, so we can take a look. So far I've done $353. I'm not going to show you the CPM because again, I'm pretty sure that you're not allowed to show your CPM and your ad revenue together. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Is it as much as what you thought I was actually making? Is it a lot less? Is it a lot more? I'd love to know your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. And if you liked this video and you want to see more YouTube related videos, also let me know by dropping a comment down below. And I would also like to make videos on my course revenue. So I have a few different courses. I have the LCB Vault and Printing Profits. They're the 2 main courses. If you'd like to see a video on revenue from my course sales as well, then drop a comment down below. Or if you'd like to see my affiliate side of this business and how much I make in affiliate sales, drop a comment down below letting me know, because I'd love to make those videos. Now I did start making those videos quite a while ago, but they weren't getting many views. It didn't seem many people were actually that interested, so I didn't make those videos. But if you show me that you're interested in seeing more stuff about YouTube, or making and selling courses, building a following, affiliate sales, if you'd like to see all of that good stuff, then please let me know by dropping a comment down below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, come through and subscribe to the channel if you like our videos. Now, we mainly talk about low content book publishing, as you can see from the videos just here, but like I said, if you show an interest in me wanting to create videos about affiliate marketing, creating a YouTube channel, and all of that other stuff, then drop that comment down below letting me know. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.